I also started working as a volunteer at a soup kitchen.
Volunteer? How come?
I realized that giving brings far more happiness than getting. So I've decided to volunteer to brighten other people's lives.
That's very kind of you.
I like working there. I enjoy meeting new people and talking to them. Helping those people makes me so happy.
I really admire you for that.
Thanks, Susan. I want to make the most of my life, so that when I look back, I can be satisfied with it. I don't want one day to regret wasting my life on unimportant things. You can try volunteering at the soup kitchen too once in a while.
Well, I like to help people, but I dislike cooking.
You don't actually have to cook soup. You can volunteer to serve. Why do you dislike cooking anyway?
I can never get the recipe right. It's always too salty, too sour, or too sweet. I'll never forget making a fool of myself when I cooked dinner for some friends. It was so horrible that they couldn't eat it. That's why I hate to cook. I prefer eating out.
So you stopped cooking because it didn't taste good?
Yes, but I still love to eat the food that other people cook.